Let's take a look at the function of concatenate, which is the merging of information from multiple cells, and you can also add information. We're gonna show you several examples here. All right, so what we're gonna do is let's take these out. I wanted to show you these are kind of our end result. We're gonna take those out. Let's put them off screen here. All right, so that we can take a look at these again. So the first thing we're gonna do is there are times when you may have a spreadsheet that has the name separated, but you want the name to appear in one cell. So what we're going to use is concatenate, and you can see there's a concat version, but that only uses two values. We're going to go concatenate, even though we have more than two values here. And we're going to have the last name, okay, and then comma, and then what we're going to do is we're going to put a comma in between them. So we're going to have a quote, comma, and then a space, and you'll see what happens when you do this, and then another comma to move on to the next thing, and then first name, and see that? Doe John. Let's see what would happen if we didn't do the comma, so you can get an idea. Concat, and we'll do last name, and then comma, first name, and you'll see what happens and why you have that. You see how we added the comma and the space in between it for formatting? Okay, let's take another look of what we can do here to get some practice in. All right, so what we're going to say is we're going to say concatenate. Whoops, I keep doing the same thing there. And we're going to say I want John Doe, comma, is, comma, 72, comma, years, comma, old. And then we're going to close our parentheses and see what we have here. We have John Doe is 72 years old, but that's hard to read like that. Everything's it's structured as if it was all one word. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back and we're going to correct that and give you some practice here. So if you go in between the cell information, what we're going to do is we're going to add another. We're going to put quotes, and so it's going to take exactly what you put in here. We'll put comma, space. Oh no, we don't want a comma, I'm sorry, just a space. And then a comma to separate what's in those quotes from the next cell. And let's go ahead and do that in between all of these, okay? And invariably, I will make a mistake here. Let's see how well I do. There we go, John Doe is 72 years old. Oh, hold on. There should be a period. Why don't we add a period? And we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to put another comma here. We're going to put quote, period, quote. And let's see what happens here. John Doe is 72 years old with a period. So we were able to take this information and join it all together in one cell. So these were multiple cells, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So over 6 cells we joined into one. We added spaces and a period to the end. Hopefully this is helpful to you. Thank you so much.